Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts while you work. Open the hood and remove debris from the fender area so fasteners are visible. Order an OEM or compatible replacement headlight assembly and keep the old unit for parts reference, noting the bulb type and harness orientation. Have tools ready: a 10mm socket, Torx T20, trim pry tool, ratchet with extension, and gloves. Set aside a container for screws and label each fastener as you remove it. Begin by removing the upper grill clips and 3 mounting bolts using a Torx T20 and a 10mm socket. Store bolts in a labeled container. If your Frontier has bumper-to-fender clips, pry them gently with a trim tool to access lower fasteners. Remove any plastic inner fender screws and pull the wheel well liner back about 3-5 inches to reach hidden bolts. Press the electrical connector tab and unplug the headlight harness, noting bulb positions. With all bolts out, lift the headlight assembly straight forward to avoid scratching the paint. Seat the new headlight assembly into its mounting points and thread bolts finger-tight to hold alignment. Then torque mounting bolts to 7 Nm, 62 lbn. Reconnect the headlight harness, making sure each clip clicks, and reinstall any bulbs, trim pieces, grill clips, and the fender liner you moved back 3-5 inches. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test all functions: low beam, high beam, turn signals, and daytime running lights. Park 25 feet from a wall and adjust the vertical aim so the top cutoff is 2 inches lower at 25 feet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.